Hello, my name is Norman. Today, I am testing a new strategy that combines the ADX and parabolic SAR indicators. I currently have $545 in my account, and my goal is to accurately assess current market dynamics and identify moments when the trend changes direction with high confidence. I combine these tools to find entry points precisely at the moments when the market begins to move clearly and purposefully. This is a fresh approach, and I am curious to see how it will perform in live trading. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. My name is Norman, and I'm getting started. First, let's set up the tools for work. If you need a promo code for a deposit bonus, I'll leave it in the description. I choose Classic Candles, time frame, 3 minutes. Go to the Indicators tab and select ADX and Parabolic SAR. Let's set up the Parabolic SAR indicator. Set acceleration to 0.03. Set maximum acceleration to 0.3. Go to Style. Set main line to yellow and set the width to 2. Save. Let's set up ADX. Set DI length to 5. Go to Style. Turn off ADX. Set plus DI to green and set the width to 2. Set minus DI to a width of 2. Save. The indicators are ready to go. Friend, if you still have questions after watching the video, be sure to write to me in a private message on Telegram, and I will be happy to help you. First situation. Expiration time, 3 minutes. I open a sell trade for $500. Now, I will explain in detail how to apply this strategy. Look, the first signal comes from the parabolic SAR indicator. When the indicator dots appear above the candles, it signals the beginning of a downtrend. Parabolic SAR helps to determine when the market is changing direction, and in this case, its location above the candles indicates the dominance of sellers and the beginning of a price decline. Next, we look at the ADX. When the green line crosses the yellow line from top to bottom, it confirms the direction of the trend. This intersection indicates that the market is declining and the strength of the downtrend is increasing. The ADX helps to measure the strength of the current trend, and when this line is pointing downwards, it confirms that the market is continuing to move in a downward direction. Great, the first trade is profitable. I made $460. Let's move on to the next signal. Want to receive daily analytics and improve your trading skills? Join my free Telegram channel, where we share strategies and support each other. If anything in the video is unclear, you can always ask a question or contact me personally. The link to the channel is in the description. Come and grow with us. In Telegram, you will find up-to-date analysis that will help you make informed decisions. Join while it's free. I see a new signal. The expiration time is also 3 minutes. I open a trade for sale for $1,000. The chart shows strong movement, and all indicators clearly confirm the signal, which gives confidence in the continuation of the current trend. Coordinated signals from indicators are always a good sign for a confident entry into the market. Remember, my friend, in order to analyze parabolic SAR correctly, it is important to understand that you can trade in the range of 2 to 6 points, which is optimal for further movement development and profit. When parabolic SAR shows 2 to 6 points, it indicates a stable trend and confidence in its continuation. Such data gives us confidence that the trend will continue to develop in that direction. If parabolic SAR shows more than 6 points or less than 3, this signals that the trend may be unstable and there is an unjustified risk. In such cases, it is better to refrain from entering, as the market may be too volatile or uncertain. Following these rules will help you avoid unnecessary risks and increase the likelihood of successful trading. The trade closes with a profit. I receive $920 and continue trading. Next situation. Expiration time is 3 minutes. I open a buy trade for $1,500. All indicator conditions are met, and the chart is moving perfectly, which gives confidence in the continuation of the trend. When the signals from the indicators are synchronized, it creates excellent conditions for a confident entry into the market. Parabolic SAR shows 1 point, which usually indicates the beginning of a trend or its continuation. But since this is not yet a stable trend with several points, the possible risks should be taken into account. However, I still decided to make the trade, as the chart shows impulsive green candles. These candles are a good addition to my trade, as they signal strong upward activity and confirm that the trend is gaining momentum. Such impulse candles significantly increase the likelihood of the upward movement continuing, which increases the chances of making a profit. Despite 1 point on the parabolic SAR, the presence of strong impulse candles gives confidence in continued growth, and in this case, it justifies the decision to enter the market. Yes, the trade brings a profit of $1,380. My balance is growing. Let's continue. Good signal. Expiration time is 3 minutes. I open a buy trade for $2,000. I see a confident upward movement on the chart, and all indicators confirm the trend, which gives me confidence in the correctness of my decision. When the signals from the indicators are synchronized and the chart confirms the trend, it creates excellent conditions for a confident entry into the market. The situation is almost the same as in the previous trade. The chart shows a large green candle, which indicates a strong upward momentum. I decide to take a risk because this large green candle did not appear by chance. It indicates high buyer activity and the strength of the trend. When such candles appear, it often signals a continuation of the movement in the same direction. In this case, I think the trend will continue to develop upward, and I am highly likely to make a profit. Everything points to a confident continuation of growth, which makes entering the market justified. Great. The trade brought me $1,840, and my balance has already reached $5,145. Time to sum up the results. An excellent trading session. I increased my balance from $545 to $5,145. If you have any questions about the methodology itself or want to understand it more deeply, feel free to write to me on Telegram. I will be happy to help. Thank you very much for watching, liking, and subscribing to the channel. My name is Norman. See you soon and happy trading.